Understanding Not-for-Profit Organizations, a Comprehensive Guide. Not-for-profit organizations play a crucial role in society by focusing on missions that serve a greater good rather than generating profit for owners. This article will explore the definition, structure, purposes, activities, and challenges encountered by not-for-profit organizations. What does not-for-profit mean? A not-for-profit organization, often referred to as a not-for-profit or non-profit, is designed to operate in a manner that prioritizes a specific mission without distributing profits to its members, officers, or directors. Instead, all income, whether earned or donated, is reinvested back into the organization's objectives and operational costs. Such organizations often aim to address social, cultural, charitable, or recreational needs within a community. Examples of well-known not-for-profits include the American Red Cross, the Salvation Army, and United Way. Not-for-profit entities may also be structured as non-stock corporations and formed for clubs, rescue squads, religious missions, and charitable endeavors. Key characteristics. No profit distribution. Income is not distributed among stakeholders, it is strictly used to achieve the organization's mission. Tax-exempt status. Many not-for-profits qualify for tax-exempt status, meaning they do not pay most taxes, enabling them to allocate more resources to their causes. Business practices. Despite their charitable goals, not-for-profits often employ similar business tactics and management techniques to ensure efficient operations. Charitable purposes of not-for-profit organizations. Not-for-profits are typically established to fulfill specific community needs, reflected in their objectives. Some common charitable purposes include 1. Relieving poverty, activities aimed at providing basic necessities to underprivileged individuals or families. 2. Advancing education, organizations that focus on enhancing knowledge and skills through educational programs and resources. 3. Promoting religion, initiatives to establish, maintain, or follow a certain faith or religious practice. 4. Community benefit, resources and activities aimed at overall community welfare, not limited to the three categories mentioned above. Activities of not-for-profit organizations. Not-for-profit organizations often classify their activities into three primary categories. 1. Fundraising, conducting events and campaigns to generate revenue, such as public drives, private donations, or selling products. 2. Program delivery, utilizing raised funds to provide services and solve the issues the organization was created to address. 3. Administrative expenses, covering the operational costs including salaries for personnel involved in back-office functions, necessary for maintaining legal compliance. Compliance and regulatory oversight. Not-for-profits must comply with state regulations applicable to charitable organizations to maintain their tax-exempt status. This includes financial transparency and reporting to the relevant state agency. Taxes and not-for-profit organizations. To gain 501(c)(3) status from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, not-for-profits must demonstrate that their purpose is charitable, religious, educational, scientific, or related to public safety. Achieving this designation provides significant tax exemptions, including no payment of most forms of taxes, including property taxes. Tax-deductible status for donations made to the organization. However, it's crucial to understand that not all not-for-profits are classified as 501(c)(3) organizations. Social clubs and labor organizations may also enjoy tax-exempt status without being classified as charitable entities. Distinction between for-profit and not-for-profit organizations. While not-for-profit organizations do not distribute profits to owners, many operational similarities exist with for-profits. Employment structure, both can employ full-time staff, managers, and directors. Many larger not-for-profits need paid employees to fulfill their missions. Management techniques, effective business strategies and administrative practices are often adapted from the for-profit sector. Non-profit versus Not-for-profit, the distinction. Although these terms are often used interchangeably, they do possess differences. Public benefit. Non-profits generally operate with broader public benefit in mind, whereas not-for-profit entities may focus on serving a specific group. Legal structure. Non-profits can establish distinct legal entities, while not-for-profit organizations may not have the same legal standing. Purpose and operations. Non-profits aim to maximize net proceeds to further their causes, not-for-profits may merely exist to provide non-financial benefits. Common problems faced by not-for-profits. Accorded insights from surveys such as one from the Nonprofit Research Collaborative highlighted prevalent challenges faced by these organizations. 1. Staffing issues, difficulty in managing staff transitions and insufficient staffing. 2. Donor relations, struggles in cultivating, acquiring, and retaining donors. 3. Economic conditions, variability in economic climate impacting funding opportunities. 4. Organizational challenges, issues related to governance, leadership, and financial planning. 5. Founder syndrome. This occurs when an organization's founder resists necessary changes, which can hinder growth and adaptability. Can not-for-profit organizations make money? Yes, not-for-profits can generate revenue through donations, grants, and fundraising events. However, any surplus must be allocated back into the organization, supporting its mission and operations rather than distributing profits. Conclusion. Not-for-profit organizations are vital in offering services and addressing issues that enhance the well-being of communities. While they may not operate for profit, understanding the mechanics behind their function, governance, and challenges is crucial for anyone involved in or supporting such entities. By effectively utilizing resources and adhering to compliance regulations, not-for-profits continue to make a significant impact globally.